Hi and welcome to another tutorial for Kaosjammer. In this tutorial, we are going to perform a basic attack with Kaosjammer. This is going to be a technical tutorial. To how to use the device to perform an attack. We are connected in this tab to the website ismyinternetworking.com. This website every 2 seconds check if the internet connection is active. We are using this website as a test to help you visualize what's happening. As you can see at the moment, we are connected to the Wi-Fi network, or SSID called Target Network. Let's plug in our Kaosjammer or turn it on. And then look for the Wi-Fi network or BXSID called Kaosjammer and connect to it. If you never connect to the device, the default password is Kaosjammer, no spaces or caps. Once the connection is established, type the IP address in the URL bar. The IP is 6.6.6.6 and awake the beast. Let's start by scanning the close Wi-Fi network by pressing on the scan button. As you can see, we can find our Wi-Fi network called Target Network. This is going to be, as the name suggests, our target network. Now click on the select button and then on the Kaosjammer logo to access the menu and select DOTH attack. From this section, let's select the play button on the do throw. Let's wait for the attack to start, and as we can see from the status column, we can read 10 packet per second. This means that the attack started, and now we can check the results by connect our computer back to our Wi-Fi network called Target Network. As you can see by testing again our connection. The connection is less stable, but the computer is partially able to use the connection. To better understand what's happening right now, check our tutorial about the theory of the DOTH attack. For the meantime, to perform a stronger attack to the connection, let's jump back to our Kaosjammer. From what we can see, 10 packets per second is not enough. Let's go to Settings from the menu and go to the packet rate, and let's increase it for this example to 100 packets per second and hit Save. Let's jump back to access point to check if our target network is still selected, and it is. And go back to DOTH attack. As we can see, the attack is still running and now is at 100 packets per second. Remember that in this example, we performed a broad attack, so we target any connected devices for the present and any devices that will connect in the future. Let's try to connect back to target network. Look what's happening. The network is not even seeable. Technically is still there. This is only how is interpreted by this computer. Here is back, but as we can see, is impossible to connect the computer to the Wi-Fi network that we target. And even when we try again, it keeps disconnect. And even if we see that the connection lasts some seconds, from the website, we can confirm that we are not online. Thank you for watching, and to stay updated with more tutorials drops, subscribe to our channel. See you to the next video, and for the meantime, embrace the chaos.